with the ability to create redacted videos, MotionDSP Spotlight also gives user the ability to create a single redacted snapshot from the video itself. To do so, simply navigate to the section of the video where you want to pull a snapshot or a single frame. Click on the Create Snapshot product located in the bottom right corner. Select your desired output format and click Save to Product List. In our product list, there's our new snapshot. As we advance to another part of the video, a little yellow mark was added to our timeline where the snapshot was taken from the video. We can take as many snapshots as we want from the video and save them by right-clicking on the snapshot. Click Select Save Location, and we can save them. And we're done. That's a very simple process for creating a redacted snapshot in the Spotlight.